Bellwether Busbar Clip Cables offer a comprehensive system-level power solution. Bellwether BBC connectors provide comprehensive power solutions with different cable ends. Bellwether's BBC cables support both the Open Rack version 2 and the Open Rack version 3 standards. They support diverse applications. The BBC connectors supports a floating tolerance of plus or minus 3 mm horizontally and plus or minus 2 mm vertically. For IT gear input applications, Bellwether's BBC cables are available in both ORV2 and ORV3 configurations. They support both side entry and rear entry cable orientations. The BBC connectors can support screw, toolless, or narrow type applications. The BBC cable can be mated with flexible copper bus bars, braided copper bus bar, or high flexible power cables. On the far end of the cable you can apply micro-high connectors, slide-to-lock type cable connectors, lug terminal, O terminal, Wild-Influx, or CrystalBand connectors depending on system design needs. Bellwether BBC connectors also support ORV3 power shelf output applications. They can connect to flexible copper bus bars or a braided copper bus bar. They can also be connected to laminated bus bars for power distribution. From BBC connector, substrate, and cable ends, Bellwether provides a fully integrated and comprehensive power solution. The BBC connector supports a wide range of current ratings, including 150, 300, 450, 500, 1,500, and 2,000 amps, and even higher current requirements. For ORV2 applications, Bellwether introduces its exclusive InstaBuild design. The InstaBuild feature integrates grounding directly into the connector body, simplifying the installation process. For toolless applications, Bellwether offers a more compact structure designed for easier operation. Given the limited space inside server racks, it's difficult for users to verify locking status. Bellwether's toolless design can provide a more intuitive and user-friendly installation experience. Bellwether's BBC cables are widely used in different applications. Choose Bellwether BBC cables, where power meets performance. Innovation, speed, customer satisfaction. Your best partner, Bellwether.